Welcome back to the series of Incredible Bharat, truly presented by Growth Biz. Today we will talk about a fruit. No, a vegetable. Wait, actually both, which by the way is also vegetarian's non-veg. Yes, you're right. It's a jackfruit, which is commonly known by the name Kathal in Indian kitchen. The jackfruit is a species of tree in the fig, mulberry, and breadfruit family. The jackfruit is the largest tree fruit, reaching as much as 55 kgs, that is 120 pounds in weight, 90 centimeters, that is 35 inches in length, and 50 centimeters, which is 20 inches in diameter. A mature jackfruit tree produces some 200 fruits per year, with older trees bearing up to 500 fruits in a year. The jackfruit tree is well suited to tropical lowlands and is widely cultivated throughout tropical regions of the world, including India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and the rainforests of Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Australia. In 2017, India produced 1.4 million tons of jackfruit, followed by Bangladesh, Thailand, and Indonesia. Jackfruit is grown in many states in India, including Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Assam, and Bihar. It's also found in Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, and Himalayan foothills, and the southern Indian parts of Karnataka. Jackfruit is popular in southern and eastern India, where it is grown annually. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which produces jackfruit as a monocrop and commercially in India. India is the world's largest producer of jackfruit, contributing a remarkable 1.5 million tons annually. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.